back in business here on the Sunbeam. This was the harness from the generator. This was the actual generator side. This was the side for the voltage regulator. Needless to say, that's definitely seen better days, and that's got some hacky bullshit. So that's out. We're gonna put our new one in that came with our harness, and then we should be pretty close with our voltage regulator. Well, that could have been a problem. Oh boy. This is the old generator harness. All right, so we've got our new harness routed for our generator. We have everything hooked up here at the voltage regulator. So all of that is done. We do need to hook up this ground. Not a big deal. And we're gonna lift this up right now, hook up our generator, and then we're gonna fire up everything and continue on wiring out back. All right, so we got everything with our voltage regulator wired up here. Everything's plugged in at the generator. This ain't bad, man. Cold, but no choke. Watch the fuel. Still waiting for our damn carb kits to come in. I've had both Sunbeam vendors, even after I've sent them the numbers off the carb, send me the wrong kits. So I haven't torn those apart yet, mainly because I'm waiting to make sure we have everything before the car becomes dead in the water and not able to be moved. So our wiring is now complete from firewall forward. So we've got that going for us. There's a victory. I did find bulbs in the console. They're down there underneath all of this stuff for the top. So between that and the ones that are sitting in the kit, we can get, or in the old harness over there, we can try to get that wrapped up. I need to finish up the heater control and all that, and then of course wiring underneath is our next step. But we are getting there. As for completion time frame, seeing I don't have the correct carb kit, we're kind of circling around waiting. But I can still finish up the brakes this week, get a bunch of other little things done. So we're going to push on and get as much done as we can, and do our damnedest. But we want it perfect when it leaves, so we all know perfection takes time. I'm going to turn the choke on for a second. I just wanted to show that with RPM, we are charging. This was 12.2 at idle. So with choke on and the idle kicked up, we are charging. So everything is good with our regulator, everything in there, generator, all that, looking good. Turn our choke off. She's a little grumpy. See, 12.6, 12.59. See, at idle, we just run off the battery, which is correct for a generator. So another fun thing, we noticed last week our oil pressure gauge worked. We have functioning water temp, boys and girls. She's just sitting there idling at 170. Happy. Our tack functioning as well. About 850, 900 RPM, not bad. Fuel sender, we still have to hook that up, because that's in the back. Clock, oh, that's battery, so we're good there. And then I got to put our voltmeter in too. But we are coming along nicely. Happy.